So guys, we are gonna sled today and it's gonna be pretty fun. We got a new sled from Santa this year.
I've got my old sled here and then we have this circle sled.
And
right
then
there.
we have
Show them the new one.
ginormous new sled.
It's my turn.
No, I'm using it first. So guys, it's my turn to sled. Okay, Weston, push me.
Hold it tight.
Okay.
Hold the camera tight.
Okay, now push me. Whee! Oh, that was so fun. Okay, let's get back up there. Oh, that's so fun. Okay. Now I'm going back up there. And now it's Weston's turn.
So guys, I'm going now. So now it's my turn.
Okay, let's go.
Ah! Alright, that was crazy.
Let's do this.
Oh, I might have gotten snow in my boot. Definitely did. Let's go back up the hill.
Up.
Yeah. I love you guys. I love you guys. Ah! Let's go. I love my job as a YouTuber. Ah! Ah! Whoa! I can hear you from here.
What's that noise? Okay, I'm going! That's scary. I'm gonna eat now. That's yummy. Okay. This is so hard. Oh, my foot fell. I like Bean Boozled because Colton's funny in the Bean Boozled video. Let's can sing that comes in me.
I'm gonna try and use my body as a sled, eh? Alright, it's my turn anyway, so let's do this. Let's do this.
Video. That was so much fun.
And we hope you liked it. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!